So Baidu also announced their own ChatGPT-like product, which is known as Ernie Bot. So here, when they announce it, their share price actually leaps 11-month high. And they say that they are currently doing some internal testing in March before it is being made public. So Baidu is actually China's largest internet search engine and also the leading AI company within China, where they provide a lot of information and also knowledge-based contents to their customers or maybe people who are searching for information. And how big is actually Baidu? So from here, the data that I got in January 2023, Baidu actually takes up about 66% of all platforms, means that mobile phones and also PC platforms. So we can see that how big Baidu is compared to its competitor like Sogou, Bing, or Household 360. And also, they process all forms of this content via their AI technology known as Baidu Brain. So Baidu Brain is actually the core AI technology of Baidu, where they manage all these AI platforms, which is why Baidu is now the leading AI company in China. Now let's look at what are the products and services that Baidu has. They have two main business segments. The first one is the Baidu Core, and then the second one is iQIYI. Baidu actually involved in a lot of different types of AI-related products and also technologies. So in short, we shorten it up. Core is actually an acronym which is made of cognition, where they develop an advanced AI technologies, and also open platform where they allow developers to build their own AI-powered applications and services. And R is robotics, where they can build humanoid robots. And E ecosystem is an ecosystem that allows all of the AI-powered products for various industries. And they have too many products that was not able to put in here. And for iQIYI is actually an online entertainment service. So Baidu is mainly generating their revenues from these two main business segments. Their major AI initiatives are in Artificial Intelligence Cloud, which is known as Baidu Cloud, but now they have recently changed their name known as Baidu Wangpan. And they're also involved in autonomous driving, which is Apollo, and here Baidu Health, where there will be a doctor online to help them, so as if like Teladoc. They are also involved in voice recognition technology, Duer OS, so it's something like Alexa, Siri, this kind of voice recognition technology. Okay, so right now let's look at how does Baidu actually generate revenue from all these products. They have not released their latest financial report, so I'll be looking at their 2021. They've generated about 19.54 billion of revenue. And we can see that most of the revenue actually comes from their online marketing services. So what is actually an online marketing services? It's actually another term for digital marketing services, which comprise all of these different services. And under these online marketing services is actually a combination of both Baidu Core and also iQIYI. So we can see that Baidu Core actually generated almost 60%, which is the lion's share of this segment. And whereas for others, Baidu Core generated about 17%, and iQIYI also generate about 18%. So we can see that actually from here others, both of these two segments, they generate about equal half within other segment. Let's look at some of the financial numbers of Baidu. We can see that the revenue has been increasing year on year, which is something that we like to see. However, for their EPS, it's a bit choppy. So you can see that some years is very high, some years is very low. And we can see that even though overall the trend is somewhat quite flat, but since 2015, we can see that it is somewhat in a slowly downward trend. So this is something that investors should really take note, even though they might be interested in the company. And next, we will look at their operating cash flow. Since 2012 until 2018, the operating cash flow has been very good, which is an increasing uptrend. However, since 2018, it has been on a downtrend onward. This is something that investors should further investigate before they decided to invest into the company. And finally, actually we are quite pleased to see that the debt to equity ratio is below 0.5 and they are able to manage it for the past 10 years. But this is not something that we should rely on that, oh, they don't have high debt. It is also considered a good company to buy. Further investigation is still needed.